Hey guys, we got a 2025 Toyota Crown. I'll show you how to reset the oil life or the maintenance required. What we see right there. So we're gonna go back. Okay, you're gonna get to settings, press enter, scroll down, vehicle settings, hold OK. Scheduled maintenance, reset, go back, oil maintenance, reset. So that's how you do it. It's kind of hard to figure out how to get to this area. If you get to this, you're just going to hold OK. Then you're going to scroll down until you get to settings, if your settings isn't already showing up, and that's how you get to that screen. So hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.